잠깐 20 레슨 찍었었지?
Ratchet and Clank rift apart.
아 짝짓 나가야 뭐가 씨. 다 짝짓 나가요.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quam, will be your host. With me, Skid Mars.
Oh Maria, not long time.
Rusty Pete.
Thank you. Watch it up.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Wow. Nice look.
Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet!
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Nella with Ratchet
Tämä narunaksisoo. Outin on nektusasukka. Nyt tämmöisen kun tää on neoma. Sungikka ruoppat. Sungikka ruoppat tamakkang nektusasukka. Tämä tuhaa sung.
Our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills.
Isa kaya kang
Well, who wants to
itoksu.
grab some ammo, of course?
Amunig! Ah,
At last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
pam 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 pam. Umbariyad. Pam 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 pam. Konti may tuktok tungan.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Hooray! Hooray!
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Spada mood!
Come on, let's keep this show going. So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... Oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Of
No
course!
way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Just a moment while happen control.
Watch out for swashbucklers.
Wangan!
Oh, this brings you back to...
I'm sorry. Boring. Sukok tayo ko kakak. When is it kong na nakin?
Our heroes vanquished is the enemy.
Kanskje jaktersyke så du. Jeg kan spise.
The mysteries of the Grey Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
Nevin doktorten da. Bakit kalian dat? Alay. Tama.
Dropship and end this!
Yes, sir. Just a moment. Finish.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, The last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clay.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Yo, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
미션하는 예리한
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
Still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Marianata magkukana tako damat yun ng jingawa niya sa sunga sokyo na
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot 1 barrel, and if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot both. Boom!
watan nun na
That
no
one will look amazing in your arsenal.
More goons! Incoming!
Sorry. Hey!
One more to go.
어찌라 가시겠지. Yes, please.
Say, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or, if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly! Shatter bomb? More like shatter booyah!
Booyah! Thank you!
Excellent choice.
하나씩였군. 오케이. Zip. Booyah!
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Show me this now.
This is definitely gonna come in handy.
You see it. Dimensionator. Yes.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Han bara kryssar av mig. Goodbye! Goodbye!
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined.
Bad news.
Sand sharks from above.
Tama rin ako sa naro. Kung itoro at kinun. I'm sorry.
Is that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombasters has always been important to me. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Dokkat sa kang jingok sa kang man ni. need to ammo. I need to money. Daba. Stay speed. Hurry.
Like a bonus for all this weird stuff.
A bonus? I'm already paying you generously.
Yeah, but like, my guy got dragged through a hole in the ceiling by a crack.
Jobs can be dangerous.
Hey, bro, I hear you. I see you. This wasn't in the contract.
I cannot believe this.
Calm down, bro. We'll figure it out. Breathe with me.
Okay, op jo siger ned og...
Go! One back!
All ride's here.
똑같은 뽕아 마트라에서 kaktusya kami 박식 kasi siya kaktusya siya taksuwat
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Ooh la la.
Ready to purchase or just staying on top of the trends?
Siya siya pa.
Farewell.
Bye bye.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Bang! 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 Oh god yeah! Sorry, immer 세징하는 걸.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right,
I'm back.
now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must
Sorry.
lower his defenses. Toads are so unpleasant.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Take that, Nefarious.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Sorry.
Yes, run from me.
Nope, for you. Come back. Ah. Ah.
His defenses are weakening.
Go for you. Do, 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 do. Sorry. Ah, your foot.
Amoeboids. Where did nefarious fine thieves.
Today my ultimate plan comes to fruition. Spirit purpose, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around
100.
now.
Hey!
Today will be the last time.
Bye bye.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Ông có trả tiền được. Tôi là trả tiền gì được không à?
What is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Right.
Where are we?
Beats me.
Larry.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Boy.
What
manner of trickery! Get off me, ship! Foul creature! Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? Lombax? What is this place?
미시온이 실수 못 지키시죠?
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him.
Non phải 시비슈라사 스필럭 두고 똑같은 부가 넌
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Masih ko matapsungaw nga. Damat ako aksyon na ni isang mokdo ni masih ko agad ka. Ito ka future ibat. Damat ako panak sina mission ani.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Good news. Open mission.
Welcome to the nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Yep.
Clank
Yep.
first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Siap masak akut. Oh, super shoe. Nothing good. Hey,
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? The Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Dava.
You want to bring the party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You are really gonna be the life of the party now.
Trong mày bóp check. Chọc con nè, history.
From your purchases today.
어찌나 맨날 때 막대고 막 스필리아 삭삭된다 가야 뭐.
That sounds like a club, all right. Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Panikkat pa sa auto. Money. Did it. Yay. Sumapi ko ni.
Was this caused by the Dimensionator exploding? Huh. Now I know what happened to the parade floats. Miss you, buddy!
I miss you too. Magic.
We must have took the wrong claw back! The non-inflated one!
One down. One to go. Hello, bad guy. How are you today? Sorry.
Well, look at that. And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
Okay. Misyon이 naman na dapat ka. Oh, tak. Oh, tama to siya doon. Ada piscina nga ito nga mukha sinakangkarong. So, nanakarat po kayo. Kung nisinas ng piscina. Saksmas na masibay. Tuksyon bagus. Bye-bye.